Finished. You are now running the latest firmware. Great job. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
Piece that goes back there, and the piece that goes right here is all the way across. They got it designed where you have these legs come out. Actually, make it go. Put a board. Let's see. It'll make the pencil go in, and then it'll move the machine, and then it'll make the pencil come out, and then it'll move down here, and then it'll make the pencil start drawing again, like that. So that's the idea, is to make the drill bit or the pencil go in and out. We need two pieces of wood right there that we can screw down. Open source firmware. It still says uploading. All right, it says done uploading, and then it says, so upload the firmware. Step 8, finish. You are now running the latest firmware. Great job. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
Make sure you close the Arduino IDE before proceeding. Now there are these other options where you would be putting the chain going across like this, and you're hanging it with these strings and stuff like that.
Yes.
We can do that. Of course we can do that. And you put a piece of cardboard there, and you can put a pencil or a marker or a pen or something in this hole,